Here, and we are at the Philippine Tarsier Sanctuary at Corella, Bohol. So let's get inside. Ticket booth, and then we enter.
Kapag nasa loob na po tayo, bawal po maingay.
Alright.
So, if mag-ano kayo, doon, walang po flash, okay?
Okay, no flash photography and quiet.
Yeah.
So they're not kept in cages, no? What do they eat?
Insects.
Ah,
They eat insects. Like beetles, butterflies.
how many tarsiers are in here?
Actually, it's 8, but
8 kinds?
8 tarsier. But, kita namin ngayon, it's only 6.
Hmm?
6 lang po lahat ng nakita namin ngayon.
6?
Oo.
Are they that rare? Only 8?
Yeah. In 1 hectare, but actually in the
Ah,
it's 100 plus.
that's why there's so few. So,
The second one.
there's a second one. So, do they not come in pairs?
Yeah.
They want to live alone?
Yeah. Because if they're together, they will be fight.
They, what is his territory?
Actually, like over there.
Okay, so just around this area, and
Yeah.
whenever you come back, you will surely find him in the exact same spot. They don't go far. They don't stray far.
Yeah. That's right.
How long has that one been in that one spot?
Gaano na siya katagal dyan? It's been there for weeks, years. How old is the lifespan of the
25
tarsier?
years.
25 years. So meaning to say he would stay here for 25 years.
In there. In their
In this area?
not, but in their territory,
Yes.
maglipat-lipat kasi sila eh.
Ah,
Pero sa territory lang nila.
but meaning to say this is his territory. 1 hectare.
Yeah. In 1 hectare is only 8, but nakita namin ngayon is only 6. Pero sa isa sa kanila, may territory.
They have within the 1 hectare radius.
Yeah.
They have their territory, so they try to stay away from each other. This
Bago
morning,
kami magpapasok ng
alam na ninyo kung nasaan sila.
Oo.
And then every time, malalaman nyo na.
Oo. Malalaman na po namin. Papasokin na po namin yung
Hello, there he is. Hello. Oh, I wish I could see. There he is. The tarsier monkeys, they don't want to be disturbed.
It's not a monkey.
Oh, what are they?
It's a primate.
It's a primate. Finding a tarsier is like finding an Easter egg. So we found tarsier number 4. Hello. Tarsier number 5.
5.
So do we have one more or?
Yeah, 1 more.
Oh, hello. He's looking at us. Tarsier number 6.
And the mother of them.
Under predators. Yeah, because this place is their natural habitat, so that's why, and they are also territorial, so that's why.
They always
In
come
the
back.
nighttime travel, and in the daytime just go back here, because this place is their territory. Before they leave a mark here in their territory. What we have to do in the morning is just to find them. Once we spot them, they stay in the whole day.
Quickie. It's so quick. That's it. After that, they fight.
Yeah, once during their mating season, the female must find the boy. So the female must go to the territory of the boy. Once the boy not attract to the girl, so they make a way to the female must go with her territory. So that's why.
If the guy doesn't like the girl,
Yeah.
he wards her off. So she goes back to her territory and finds another man.
Yeah, find another.
This is Joan of Arc and exiting from the fence that's protecting their sanctuary. Thank you very much, Jenny. Bye-bye.